Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Bree. If you have been here before, I haven't been on here in a minute. I go through these phases. But anyway, I've been really busy because I was traveling back to Hawaii, and then I'm sure you all know coronavirus craziness. I've had job interviews, I had an exam today, I have an exam tomorrow. So it's just been crazy, but anyway, I figured since I can't really get out of the house right now with coronavirus, my husband was, so I figured with all the craziness and coronavirus, I can't get out of the house, so I figured I would just film a quick video. I got my FabFitFun spring box actually a little bit ago, but I've already peeked, but I haven't used the products really, so I figured if people are at home, they might want some new content because of coronavirus, so I'm just going to show you what's in my box. Also, feel free to leave comments about what you're doing during this time, how you're handling it. I'm really devastated that I can't go to the gym, and dumbbells are apparently like $50 for a set, so yeah, not a good time for me. Anyway, I'm going to open this up. Really pretty butterfly packaging. It comes with some, they always like send you little deals. So this is a Bite Me deal for like teeth alignment stuff. And then a non-free meals at HelloFresh, which I actually really want to try. It says claim within 30 days though, which they usually almost always come with these, but the thing is, I don't know if they're doing it because coronavirus, so. And then it comes with a cute FabFitFun magazine, and this one has Gina Rodriguez on it, which she is, if you haven't seen Jane the Virgin, she's on that, and I watched all of that. So, alright, so the first thing I got I can't find, but it's silicone straws. It says Full Bloom Collection. And so they're from Chic and Tonic, I think is how you say it, maybe. There's 4 pretty bright colors right here. And then it comes with a plastic case, which I'm guessing you're supposed to cram a straw in there, stick it on your keychain, and then so you have it on the go. My mom got me some metal straws for Christmas, and I forgot to bring them back with me. But in Hawaii, straws are pretty much like obsolete. I'm not sure if every island, but most places don't give you straws because, and if they do, they're paper because of the environment. So these are nice to have, definitely. The next thing I got is this Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment, which retails for $68. Now, I'm really not that excited about this, and that is because I'm young and I don't have that many wrinkles, and I also don't think it probably doesn't work. So, probably definitely doesn't work now that I've got it. So this looks like red light. Looks like red light's the only one. But then again, I can't tell. To me, this looks like it only comes with one. So, anyway, that's that. So, kind of finicky, but you're just supposed to do like this to get rid of your wrinkles. So, I wish that was a hair remover, but it's not. The next thing in my box is this. This is the 2-in-1 Purifying Glow Mask Collection. Now, I'm just going to state this regardless of what the price is, and I'm going to tell you the price. And I like this, okay? There's nothing wrong with it. But to me, this isn't a super valuable thing because it doesn't come with a lot. It comes with these little itty-bitty samples. So, and I feel like about one is going to be your whole face. So at most, well, no, probably about 8 uses because it comes with 8 things, right? And so 8 uses, when you could get like a whole tube of a mask, I mean, it's okay. And it's from Way, which is a brand I haven't heard of. And it has a golden root purifying mud mask and a brown sugar ready glow exfoliating mask and a brush. And this is, it says retails for $45, which it's unlikely I would pay for that, especially not knowing the brand. But like I said, I will use them. Okay, next item is something I am excited about and I've started ripping apart. There we go. And it is this Marianella Rosewood and Linseed Body Oil. Now, it kind of leaked out a little bit in the package. It has a strong scent, but I'm gonna see what it... Okay, it comes out like a pump even though it's oil. So it's got a strong, like essential oil, kind of reminds me of essential oils. But it does smell good, I do like it, and so that is fun. And that retails for $68. The next item is this, which I am probably the most exciting item to me, is this AG hair care, and this is called Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. Now, AG I do think is a popular brand in the US. A lot of times in here you get stuff that's kind of like, I haven't heard of it, so the fact that it's $68 is like, that's how I feel about the masks, kind of. But this retails for $24, which isn't terrible, but I mean, it's a leave-in conditioner. And I haven't opened it up, but I need a leave-in conditioner anyway. I use like that all the time, especially here in Hawaii. So I'm super excited to try this out. Next item, now this is super fun and super cute. It's from a brand called Winky Lux. It's from a brand called Winky Lux, and it's like a rainbow lip balm. It says it retails for $18. It says it's a pH hybrid balm, kind of like a tint. Rainbow lip and cheek balm. So this is the packaging. Kind of just, I mean, it's just like a tube. I was gonna try and smell it, but I can barely smell it over the body oil on my hands, so it smells kind of fruity. And so it's got like just 3 colors, you can see it. And they're kind of close. It's got red, orange, and purple, so that's less fun. I wish it was all the colors of the rainbow. But if I put that on the back of my hand, you can kind of see a red tint start to develop. And so I will definitely kind of throw this in my purse now that I've filmed this video. Honestly, the box is just the cutest thing to me, so if I bought this in the store, it would be because the box is so cute. Okay, next we have this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon matte or multitasking beauty sleep savior by This Works. I think this is like a body lotion. Hold on. Yeah, so it's basically, I think it's meant for your body, not your face. It says use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore your and nourish the skin whilst you sleep, or whilst you sleep. I guess I can't talk. And so I have had things from This Works before and liked them. This retails for $40. They usually have very earthy scents, and this is an earthy scent. But I think that it smells good, I think it's fun, and so yeah, I'll definitely use that. And last but not least, we have some packing cubes. This is a 4-pack that retails for $40. It says by the brand Cowpack. Comes with small, medium, and large. So this is what they look like. Definitely cute, pink and yellow, summery ombre. Now it's pretty thin, so this is gonna be like folded clothes, basically, is the only thing you would put in here. But I do think they're cute. Packing cubes are not something that I felt like purchasing, like paying for, but that I wouldn't mind to try out and see if it makes my experience better, since I do travel quite often. So I do think these are of value to me, and that it'll be nice to see if I think that they're useful and want some more, or if that it's just not really worth it to me to deal with it. Okay guys, well, thank you for watching this video. If you got to the end, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let me know some other fun things I can film since I will try not to leave the house. It's also kind of like mandatory, but here where we're at, we can still go to the beach, which I'm trying not to do, but sometimes it's just too much time in the house. I do go on walks and stuff as well, so, but I am doing my part and trying to quarantine as much as possible, be as clean as possible, and I'm definitely not getting around people. Like if I go to the beach, I'm going where no one's at, or at a time of day nobody would be there, so. Anyway, yeah, definitely do your part, because this time is really crucial, I think, and scary for everyone, so don't go around people. I don't think it's good to leave your house if you don't have to. I do think it's okay to exercise a little bit and move around when you can do it without putting other people at risk. Even if you don't have coronavirus, that doesn't mean you think you don't, that doesn't mean you don't, right? So, and it doesn't mean you won't get it from someone else. So definitely stay away from people and do your part. So that is it, and I'll see you here next time. Bye guys!